Good morning children, welcome to class 3 English 2. Previous class we have discussed the question answer, revised the question answer of lesson 1. Success takes time, okay. All of you have learned two question answer. Who was Pedro and why was the woman an admirer of Pedro's work? Who was Pedro? Who was Pedro? Pedro was a famous artist born in Spain. Then, why was the woman an admirer of Pedro's work? The woman was an admirer of Pedro's work because his paintings were very beautiful. Okay. So, these two questions I have discussed in that revision class. Then, third question. Okay. Why did Pedro refuse to make the painting at first? What is the answer? What is the meaning of this question? Why did Pedro refuse to make the painting at first? The woman asked Pedro to make his painting, but at first Pedro refused. Why? Why Pedro refused? Pedro refused at first to make the picture of woman because he had no drawing tools at that time. What is the answer? Because he had no drawing tools at that time. Okay, that is the answer of this question. Why did Pedro refuse to make the painting at first? Pedro refused to make the painting at first because he had no drawing tools at that time. At that time, he had no drawing tools. That is why he refused to make the painting. Okay, understood? Write this in practice copy at least 5 times and learn. Okay. Then fourth question. What did the woman find strange about what Pedro said? Pedro said some words, but the woman finds strange about that. Strange means not proper. Okay. Not suitable words. Understand? She cannot accept that words. Why? Why did she felt that? Okay. What did the woman find strange about what Pedro said? What is the answer of this question? The woman found. When you write the answer, in place of find, you write found. The woman found strange about Pedro's words that a simple sketch worth $1 million. What was that word? A simple sketch worth $1 million. In that words, the woman found strange. Clear? The woman found strange about Pedro's words that a simple sketch worth $1 million. Clear all of you? Yes, this also do in practice copy 5 times and learn. Then the last question. How did Pedro become such a successful artist? How did Pedro become such a successful artist? How did Pedro become such a successful artist? Pedro became, in place of become you write became. Pedro became such a successful artist because of his patience and determination. Because he had these two qualities. Patience. What is the meaning of patience? The ability to accept delay, patience. And what is determination? Strength of mind. Okay. Or a will to do something. So that patience and determination he had, that is why he became a successful artist. Clear? How did Pedro become such a successful artist? The answer is Pedro became such a successful artist because of his patience and determination. Clear all of you? I hope all of you understood all these questions of lesson 1. All of you have to do it in practice copy and learn. Okay, the next week you will have examination. Clear? So this all of you learn this question answer. Then page number 10, tick the correct answer is also there now. That also learn today. Okay. Pedro was a famous artist born in Spain or France. Which one is the correct option? Spain. His paintings sold for billions or millions of dollars. Which is the correct answer? Millions. Okay. Then the woman was a great admirer of Pedro's movies or paintings. Which one is the correct answer? Paintings. Then Pedro used Pedro used a pen or pencil and a piece of paper to create the woman's painting. Which one is the correct answer? Pen. Then you need to be impatient or patient to be successful. What is the answer? Patient. Okay. So this and this question answer. Then number the sentence in right order, that also learned. Write these words in alphabetical order. These things I have already revised. Circle the odd one out. Already all these are revised. Then vowels and consonants, everything was revised. No. Okay. Okay, this almost this chapter's revision is over. 2 3 are left that I will take in the next class. Okay, so what are the revised portions, you have to learn all that. Take the correct answer, all the question answer of lesson 1. Then write these words in alphabetical order. Then vowels and consonants, etc. Okay, clear? Bye. Practice.